Hi everybody, today's recipe is an easy appetizer for a little party you're having, some friends over, or you just want a little something special for your family. The kids can get involved in making this. It's super fun. Let's check it out. Thanks for sticking around, guys. This recipe, super simple. We just need some green onions, some salt, some wonton wrappers, and some oil to fry these in.
We're going to want to go ahead and put a good amount of oil into the pan here because we're going to want to submerge the wonton wrappers. Then you can turn on the heat if your cutting skills are pretty quick. If not, you can wait on that. But you want to cut these green onions really thin as you kind of can without going overboard, because we want to kind of have the least amount of moisture in the center of our wonton wrappers. And you'll even see when we roll them out that even some liquid still comes out. All right, after cleaning the work surface, we're going to lay one wonton wrapper down, and we're going to put a little bit of the green onions into the center of the wonton. And then we're going to grab a second one and put it on top. After that, we're going to go ahead and grab a little more green onions and place it on the top of our first layer there, or what's going to be now our middle layer. Oop, that one got away from me a little bit. Then I'm going to grab a little salt, just a little bit of salt in that center. And then we're going to take 1/3 wonton wrapper, put it on the top. That's going to be our top. And we're going to just gently roll this out, pushing down a little bit, but you don't want to like have it tear. And just pick it up. Clean off the surface. This is important because a little bit of juice squeezes out, and then it kind of like makes the second one harder to make. So take that moment to kind of wipe clean that area. So again, we're just repeating this process 4 times. We're gonna like make this, and you can make as many as you want, but in this one I just made 4. Put that center one on, put a little more, put a little salt, and then put the top and seal it off. For time's sake, we're not going to see me do the other 2, but I just wanted to show you the process. Alright, now we're going to test if our oil is heated up. We do this by putting a wooden spoon in. Here, early, no bubbles are forming, but now test a little later, bubbles have started to form around the wooden spoon. That really shows us our oil's ready. It could even be a little more bubbly than that. Now we're going to lay our wonton wrapper in here, and we always lay it away from us. That way, so if it splashes, the oil splashes away from us. And when you're done with one, you can just see me there finishing by putting a little dusting of salt on the top. Now these are going to cook up pretty darn fast, so once they sort of puff up, you're going to want to get in there and you're going to want to flip them and then let the other side cook a little bit. But the thing to remember when you're frying food is it is going to continue to fry once you pull it out. The oil that's on top of it already is going to continue to cook that. So you really want to like take it out of the oil before it's the color you really want it. So depending on how dark or crispy you want these, you know, keep them in, but take them out a little early so that that finishing cook will work out just perfect for you. How about we go and speed it up here for our final 2 just to get this going. But again, this goes so quick anyways. This whole recipe will be done in less than 10 minutes. Now we have to go to plating it. And I like to get these rectangle plates out with this little dipping bowl I have. And I lay them out and I just cut them in triangles. And I just think they look nice that way. So you just cut right down the center, plop them onto our rectangle board. Now we're going to get the other 3 here and just do it again, super fast speed here. And then after that, we're just going to add a little bit of dipping sauce into that bowl, and we are going to be all set.
That's it, guys. It is super easy. I think it took me probably 10 minutes from start to finish to have these delicious appetizers. Again, involve the kiddos. It's super fun. Invite some friends over. It is so delicious. For sauces, I've used a couple different ones. I've done a Thai peanut sauce. This one I'm using is my favorite, sweet chili sauce by Kame. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I don't know. But I hope you guys invite some friends over, have this ASAP. When you do, let me know. I'd love to hear about it. I'm gonna bite into this right now. Little dunk, little delicious. So good. That's all I got time for. I'm gonna go eat this now. I hope you guys have a great, great day. Take care.